For individuals dealing with low back pain, we know that a lot of different things can be contributing to this issue. But nothing's really going to in place having you come in and doing an individualized assessment where we take a look at your movement, take a look at the things that are actually bothering your low back. But today we're going to go through 2 stretches that for a lot of people can help to start dial down some of the pain they're experiencing and help to get them moving a little better in the short term. So for the first one, Zach's going to come on his side. He's going to bend his top leg up, and maybe if you're on the side of a bed or a table, you can have that knee even hanging over to increase the stretch a little. And then he's going to have this top hand on his lower rib cage. This is going to help keep the stretch in the low back. So from here, he's going to give kind of opposite forces with both hands as he eases into the stretch to help open up and give some motion to the low back. The other thing that we need to consider and that we always look at at Onward is that people dealing with low back pain, it's not always just an issue with the low back itself. So a lot of times we see individuals suffering with some stiffness in the upper back or their thoracic spine, or some stiffness below in the hips. So this next stretch is going to attack both of those at once. So this stretch is called the Bretzel Stretch, and now Zach's going to grab his bottom leg and focus on pulling this back to get a nice stretch through the front side of his hip. From here, he's also going to open up through this upper part of his back as well. So as he's doing this, he's getting a nice stretch through the hip and the upper back. And this one you might not feel as much in the low back, but loosening up some of those areas tends to help people feel a little bit better and start to get some of their motion back.